The Dura MOBI Humbird is a next-generation audio device that turns almost any surface into a speaker, delivered in a palm-sized, beautiful CD design. With a simple connection, Humbird's bone conduction technology resonates sound throughout any hollow surface, creating amplified sound that can reach up to an astounding 115 decibels. That's 4 to 5 times the volume of an average mobile device. And with the addition of a second unit, Humbird automatically switches to true wireless stereo sound for a full impact experience. Humbird works any open-ended container to amplify your music, podcasts, phone calls, video games, and film anytime, anywhere. With a traditional speaker, your sound is limited by the space and direction allotted to project it. But with Humbird, the sound is projected throughout the entire chosen surface for unlimited even sound. You can attach Humbird to your favorite instrument to capture a unique recording session using Humbird's internal microphone. For instant playback with deep tonal sound, or turn the volume down to take a private call in a loud space for crystal clear sound that only you can hear. Secure Humbird to your favorite helmet to enjoy the perfect soundtrack to your favorite travel routes, without compromising your safety or the environment around you. Also, enjoy with different surfaces to customize your experience. Humbird is sleek in design, lightweight, and portable. It features a high-speed Type-C port that charges in less than 30 minutes, and a 400 mAh battery that lasts for over 3 hours of continuous playtime. Play any audio signal transmitted via Bluetooth or your favorite FM station.
FM mode.
The Dura MOBI Humbird really is the next advancement in a personalized sound environment and the perfect investment for technology lovers with an appreciation for innovative design. Create sound your way with Humbird.